a public land spot that we went to a lot earlier in the hunting season, and I just decided to check it out today. There's a lot of open fields, and so what I'm hoping is we can see a deer in one of these open fields, especially when it gets closer to dark, and we can try and put on a spot and stalk. It's going to be really hard, but I'm thinking right now it might be my best bet because it's December. The deer movement is at an all-time low, and you know, there's so much hunting pressure, so I'm just hoping that I get lucky and I see a deer in one of these fields and I can try and sneak up on one of them. So basically, what we're going to do is we are going to go find an open field. We're just going to sit on the field edge. Hopefully we see one, but once it gets closer to dark, we're going to get up, we're going to sneak through and check all the different fields on this piece of public land in hopes that we see a deer moving. Then we can try and put on a spot and stalk. Spot and stalking is really fun. I'm not really good at it. You can click on that video up there when I did it earlier this year, and I totally blew it. But yeah, that's the plan today. It's really cold. We got a cold front came in, so good day to hunt. Just hopefully we have some deer come in, and hopefully we can try and get a shot on one. So we're gonna go look for a spot that is to our liking. So I'll see you guys then. Tasty.
Ew, don't.
So back over there on the other side of those trees is where we saw that 8-point buck back in October, and that stupid 6-point that saw me. We're gonna go that way and check that area out. So I like this spot right here. We can kind of set up behind this brush, and everything set up like right there, so that if a deer comes out in front, you can't see us. All right, so we are approximately where I saw those bucks. So I found some brush over here that I would like to try and find a way to hide behind, because I think it'll provide good cover. I haven't figured out how to do that just yet, but we're gonna try.
I can't see anything.
What do you mean you can't see anything?
There's all these branches in there.
Then we gotta move.
I mean, we need them.
No, we don't need these. We don't need these ones.
I'm trying to reposition myself too, but you keep giving me new jobs.
Okay, that's gone. This is the stuff they don't show you. Oh boy. They just show you sitting down and a spot, and then they shoot the deer. But we show you all the stupid stuff that goes in between. And I'm also, to be fair, I'm not as skilled as some of those guys that just sit down and shoot the deer. Now, this is when we test and see if I can shoot from here. I'm gonna have to tear this stuff up just a little bit more, but I can draw back quite fine, which is good. I'm aware of how loud this is, but there's no other way to do it. Okay, yeah, this gives me enough clearance. Now we just sit here. Fast forward. Okay. Now we just sit here for the next 4 hours.
Did they get up? Or were they walking? The spot.
I liked this spot too. Alright, let's go find a new spot. Well, that's just a part of it, guys. Sometimes you have hunters come in and mess up your spot. Nothing against them. They were accessing wherever they were accessing. They didn't know we were here until they probably didn't know we were here until we saw them. So we probably both saw each other at the same time. But anyways, this just means that we have to go deeper. During bow season, there wasn't many people that hunted here, but it seems obvious now that it's rifle season. There's a lot more people out in the woods. So what we're going to do is we're going to travel deeper this way. There's a little bit of a peninsula area, and there's also a spot that I wanted to check out anyways. So we're going to move over there. If it looks good, then that's where we'll go. If it doesn't, then we'll go back over that way. But yeah, I really like this setup. I was really hopeful, but given that people just walk through where we're thinking the deer are going to come through, I don't really want to stay here anymore. So yeah, let's start moving. Alright, well, we are back from our pointless journey, back in the same spot. So yeah, that's about it. Oh, 1 second. Oh my gosh, okay. It's 2 o'clock. So it's okay. The deer aren't supposed to start moving just yet. But we definitely didn't help if there were deer around. So probably not gonna see nothing. That's okay. We're just enjoying the great outdoors. On our way out, we're gonna check some of the fields, and hopefully we see something on our way out. But if not, we'll be donezo. So yeah, we got about, I'd say, 30 minutes of daylight if we're lucky. So yeah, hopefully we see something on our way out, and we're just gonna take it slow and easy, and like I said, hopefully we see something. So I'll see you guys soon. I just found where these guys are hunting.
Where?
They're hunting in the blind.
What?
They're hunting in the blind. I don't know how to get to my car. I don't know what to do. I don't want to walk right in front of them.
Can you walk through
But
the
there's
woods?
no other way for me to get to my car. I think maybe if we go that way and we like take the long way around, plus that'll let us see a couple more fields. I think that's the safest bet. I don't want to walk in front of these guys and get shot.
Alright everyone, so we finally made it out, and I was a little bit sketched out about the whole situation with those hunters. I wasn't worried that they were going to shoot me on purpose or anything, but you know, accidents can happen, and when you have firearms, those accidents can sometimes be fatal. So I wanted to try and make sure that I was making the right decision. I decided that it'd be best to just totally get away from them as far as possible. It was a little bit worrisome because they were kind of blocking the way that I normally take to get to my car, but I decided that just taking a detour was the best option. For you public land hunters who rifle hunt regularly, please let me know if I did the correct thing, and if I didn't, please tell me what I should have done, because I want to make sure I'm making the correct decisions when I'm out in the woods, and the safe decisions. But anyways, I want to thank you all for watching. I know that things have been pretty uneventful lately, but you know, with the end of the season and hunting pressure so high, I mean, we saw those public land hunters already. It's just really hard to see deer around this time, but I'm gonna keep trying. We're not gonna stop, and I will see you guys in next week's video.